Good morning! You're watching Tap in Time. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not already, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So, without further ado, let's tap in time. In today's video, we're going to be working on our Shirley Temple Step. So, let's begin. For this step, we'll be using the ball and the heel of our foot. The ball is where the triangle tap is on your tap shoe, and the heel is where the semicircle tap is on your tap shoe. With our feet in parallel and our knees slightly bent, we are going to be starting with the right leg first. We are going to perform a brush toe to the side like so. Then we are going to perform a heel beat with the left leg and a heel beat with the right leg like so, making sure to transfer our weight onto the right leg. We then perform a pick-up with the left foot, like so, followed by a heel on the right leg. Next is a toe tap with the left leg behind the right leg, like so, and finally another heel on the right leg. Perfect! Let's piece these steps together again under tempo from the beginning. Starting with the right leg, we have brush toe, heel heel, pick up heel, toe tap heel. Perfect! We can then perform these steps on the left leg. So we have a brush toe to the side like so. Then we perform a heel beat with the right leg and then with the left leg, like so, transferring our weight onto the left leg. We then perform a pick up with the right foot, followed by a heel on the left leg. Next is a toe tap with the right leg behind the left leg, like so, and then finally a heel on the left leg. Perfect! Let's piece these steps together again under tempo, starting with the left leg. We have brush toe, heel heel, pick up heel, toe tap heel. Perfect! Now let's perform the Shirley Temple Step on the right and left leg at a slow tempo. So standing in parallel with our knees slightly bent, we're going to be starting with the right leg first. You can also perform this step at a quick tempo, like so. Perfect! So there you have it, the Shirley Temple Step.